everyone, I am here today to give you an update for our apple or persimmon apple. It's a Japanese apple, and before when I show you at the first video, this is more like nickel, and right now they are look like bigger than the quarter. Let's go, I'll show you. Now you see this, they are grow big now, but they are still not that enough to pick it up. And some there's a lot more up there. This is not a big tree, it's just and for the extra video, I found that there is a little turtle under this little flower in our front yard. It's a small, it's not a big one, but it's look like he moves so fast crawling, and there he go, and he's going to under the truck. I think, hope it's not gonna go. Oops, it's going under the tire. Oh no. And now I think he's going to stuck in there. I don't know, because maybe it's hot. He wants to be in shade. He keep on digging in there. Oh no, you're stuck now. Come on, get out from there. You cannot stay. Now let's see where this turtle going. He's really moving fast. But now maybe if he get tired, he's just relaxing. Crawling. And I am not closer to her, maybe that's why. I'm just wondering if how old is this turtle. I can't tell. I saw once, it's very big. It's like huge, not that big, not big, but huge one. Okay, keep moving around. Where are you going? Now, little turtle, where are you going? Oh my goodness, it's really doing fast. I can't even took a good video of him crawling. Oh no, where is he now? I am now here. Where is the grapevines? As you noticed before on my first video, it's not that much leaves. Now it's more green leafy grapes. And now this is the flowers, where I always took a picture to share on my Facebook reel. And now you see the grapes. It's getting bigger every day. This update is like maybe 2 weeks already, and look how big they are. It's really big. And also we have our tomatoes. I don't know what's the name, I forgot already, but I will show you how the fruits look like. Maybe you can tell what kind of tomatoes are they. So this is the fruits, and the one behind me at the background is our greenhouse. We use it during winter. And now this is tomatoes, and at the back of that is strawberry, and I think one of the tomatoes are Roma, and this is some of the tomatoes also, and the one there is in the box are different kinds of vegetables, and this one is our green beans. We already harvest some of the fruits of this, and now it's hot weather. We don't get that much or because of the weather. And those are kale, and we have lettuce, and we have our dragon kale, flowers, and then flowers, and then we have I think that is thyme, and this is our pomegranate tree. And this year for sure we're gonna have our first fruit, and this is the first year that we're gonna have it. I'm gonna show you the first fruit. This is the second one, and this one is the first one. See, it looks like it's big. Okay, this is the first one. All right, and it's very hot out here, and this is our dragon fruit. We got already fruits last year, but this year we don't gonna have it. And these are tomatoes, and we also have spinach, but it's not doing good because of the hot weather too. We have papayas, and then before we have, like last year, we have a big papaya, but it because of the cold it's dead now. So this is for today's video, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Enjoy for watching, and bye bye, and see you on my next video.